So in here I have some red onion, garlic, black beans, sweet potato, red potato, and tomato. And this is food I'm just trying to use up before we go grocery shopping again. This is how our fridge looks before we go grocery shopping. It's pretty empty. A little bit of strawberries, a little bit of blueberries, you can see there, some lunch meat, cheese, a couple yogurts, and then our condiments. And then up here is some spinach for smoothies and other things, milk. So we really try to buy just what we need and use that during the week. And this system has been working so well for us.